Are you interested about technology? Are you a person who like to earn money online? Are you a person who like to start a YouTube channel? Are you a failure? I know everyone has a dream to be success and make a passive income, but most of people are fail. Why? They do not have a knowledge to do it. They start work and give up easily, and they do not have a plan. But I won't say never give up. I can't work for you, I can't make a plan for you, but I will do one thing. The key of success, knowledge. Hello and welcome to TechCoast YouTube channel. So what I am doing is I am going to help beginners and students who are willing to success with technology. You will really helpful this channel to improve with technology and get a good knowledge about it. I will post videos on every Wednesday, Friday and Saturday. If you think my channel will important for you in some occasion, keep in touch by subscribe and let's meet from new videos.